In this short video, you will discover a done-for-you, free, auto list building software that runs on Autopilot, building your email list, even while you sleep. This program is free to start. You can set it up in as little as 3 minutes. Runs on 99% Autopilot. 100% beginner friendly. With website and hosting included. Same-day income potential. You can scale it up fast. It also has 100% free viral traffic built into the software. Yes, the software includes amazing looking squeeze pages. And yes, there are built-in high-paying products. But that is where the similarity to other funnels ends. What you don't see is the special auto-forwarding stealth software that automatically runs behind the scenes of each of your funnels and forces leads and commissions into your accounts on literal autopilot. The way it works is as simple as it is ingenious. All you have to do is literally give the software away for free. And then let it spider across the web to find others like you, wanting to grow their email lists and make easy money. As visitors land on your sites, they're invited to join a free, Lite version of the software through you. The system permanently credits these people to your account and auto-forwards a copy of the leads they generate, along with all 100% of commissions they bring in, straight into your account. Lite version members get to build their lists too, but you keep all the money if you're a VIP member. It's a win-win system for all users. And when your Lite members choose to upgrade to VIP, guess who gets the commission? That's right. You. If you found this video to be helpful, please hit the subscribe button. Please like and share. And thank you for watching.
Simply click the link below to learn more.